Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to do chapter number 2 lab work part 1 start PowerPoint application, open water cycle presentation and insert a new slide 6 with blank layout. So first step is insert a new slide. Okay, here it is new slide in home tab. Okay, you will choose the blank one. Okay, so this is how you are going to choose it, and then using text boxes and shapes create the following. Now you have to create it by yourself. You are not going to take the ready-made chart. So first step is, for stages of water cycle we need to take or insert a text box. So insert text box, this is, and here we can write stages of water cycle, stages of water cycle, and select it, and you can choose 48 size, and style should be Comic Sans FP. First select it, and Comic Sans FP, and then select it, color should be green. Okay, so this is how you are going to do it. And next step is you have to insert 4 shapes, insert 4 rectangles. So insert shapes, rectangles. Okay, this is one. Okay, you have to choose the same one. Okay, so what you need to do, click it, right click and copy, and then right click and paste it. Paste 4 times, 3 times. Okay, so this is how you are going to take it. Okay, equal size. Now the first, okay, first one is yellow. Okay, make it yellow, color should be yellow, shape yellow, and orange. Okay, and blue, and this one is green. Okay, so this is how you are going to do it. Fine. And next step is shape outline. Okay, this is yellow, so shape outline yellow, and points you can make it 6 points, and choose for shape. Okay, you can choose the light color or yellow light color. 6 points, and for this also choose shape outline, make it 6 points, and for blue also shape outline, make 6 points, for green and shape outline weight 6 points, yeah. So this is, it should look like this. Okay, now we have to write this all. Insert text box, insert text box, now here you can type all your data first. Insert text box, again insert text box, again take insert text box, give now size should be 28, selected size 28, selected size 28, selected size 28, and girls, you can make it in center. Okay, so the next step is, okay, the next step is change the color. Okay, it should, okay, it should be in blue color, blue, and make it bold. This one also selected, selected, bold and blue color, selected and blue color, selected and blue color. Next you have to arrange it. Okay, okay, so selected and format, okay, you have to arrange it like this. First this box, and then you have to arrange this. Okay, then you have to arrange this one, and then you have to arrange this one. Okay, next step is take the arrows, insert shapes. Okay, you can go to insert and shapes. Here you can choose the arrow, insert shapes, choose the arrow like this. Okay, so you can take, okay, for this you need to choose one more, another, I guess, This one is fine, I guess. We took this shape. So what we have to do is select it and go to the format tab. There is a rotate button and there are many options, so you can do according to the desired option. So check one by one. Yes, flip vertical is fine. You have to check according to your shape preference. So select it and set it. So it should look like this. Okay. Now here we have to write all or all interconnected. So again, take a text box. Take a text box and here we will write three dots are all interconnected. Now select it, and Comic Sans and size should be 48 and the color green. So that's done. Okay. Next is part 2. Start PowerPoint application. Create a new presentation and save it as learning curve. On the title slide, type the following text. Title text My Learning Curve. Subtitle text and overview. And third, apply word art pattern fill style to both texts with appropriate text size. Insert learning curve image to this slide. After rearranging the object, the slide should look as follows. So first step is start PowerPoint application. You have to create a new presentation. First you need to save it and create a new presentation. New presentation, blank, and here in this presentation create a new presentation and save it as learning curve. So save as learning curve. Okay, save it and then on title slide type the following text my learning curve. Here you will write my learning curve and subtitle text and overview and overview. Next, apply word art pattern fill style to both the text with appropriate text size. Apply word art pattern fill style to both text with appropriate size. Okay, so we need to check it. First select it, format, and this is word art style. This one is fine. Okay, this one is fine. Okay, and an overview curve, selected word art style. Where you can find this word art style group, go to the selected first, select the text, go to format tab, and here you can find the style. So this one you can select it. After this, arrange like this. My my learning curve. Okay, we have keep this in your mind that we have to insert the shape also, but first we need to arrange it. So this one is my learning curve and this one is an overview, an overview, and insert learning curve image to this slide. We have to insert a slide. Okay, go to insert and then pictures, and you will check in grade 5 folder PowerPoint, and this one is learning curve image or picture. Insert it and then you can change the size and overview. This is my learning curve and this is an overview. And this one is learning curve diagram. Save it. So that's it. Next is insert a new slide with a blank layout. Okay, now you have to insert a new slide and blank layout. This one is blank layout. Okay, add the following pie chart to this slide. Okay, and the step number 8 is make sure you change the size and font color of the title and labels in this pie chart. Okay, so we have to make like this only. So first insert charts, pie chart. This is pie chart, this one. So select it. Okay, now here we have English, math, science and computer. So first we need to write English, English, then math, then science, and then computer. Okay, this is we have to decide. This is 8. Okay, we have to set like this. Okay, this one is 6, this one is 6, this one is 6, and this one is also 6. Okay, but we can make some changes. So okay, so we have to make like this, and 6 5 5 6. Okay, so you will check like this. Okay, and now what is the next step? We have to change the color. English blue, maths orange, science gray, and computer yellow. So first select the English, insert, For English, you need to press blue color, and for English you have to make it blue color. For maths, orange. For maths, orange. For science, gray color, and for computer, yellow color. Next step is you can change their sizes also, like this is 20 and 20, and this one also 20, and this one also 20. Now you can check, and now here this is, we have to make the title also. By default it was sales, but we need to change it into my scores, and it should be in selected first, and change the size to 28, and change the color also. That's it. So this is how we have to do it, and save your file. After saving your file, you have to go to the part 3. In part 3, start PowerPoint application, open learning curve presentation, insert a new slide, slide 3 with a blank layout using shapes and its formatting, create slide 3 as shown. Okay, girls, now you have to create this by yourself, and inshallah ta'ala see you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.